So now, after you come back, I see you and all that, you have to come back eKasi. Uhlangana nabo abantu. Yeah, usababona still.
Yeah.
And
Inkamva develops you mentally. Because I remember they took me to
for counseling.
for counseling yana, so that I can deal away with
Yeah.
the trauma. Even though I will say, yes, counseling helped, but it is not, it was never 110%
Healing,
correct.
yes.
Because if we say it is success, it should be 110. It was 100% to me. But when you see them,
Obviously, yabuya ngumuntu kaloku.
the anger comes back.
But I'm glad ngoba you even moved there.
Yeah, I didn't move because Ben Balek.
That's what
I
I'm
moved
saying.
because of
Umsebenzi.
like you.
I'm glad it happened.
You moving.
I'm glad it happened because you still bump into the very same people.
That's fine, man.
I'm really sorry about that. Because when it wasn't to say, kwenzakale na futhi no ngizothetha ngayo, I was like,
It's a Scarface
hayibo lo muntu
And I
lona.
went with the
And kaloku-
stitches because it was June. Abantwana kuthiwa yintoni? I forgot to tell you this. Azivalwe zethu izikolo eNkamva.
Okay.
Ngama holiday, we've got holiday programs
Okay.
whereby we are trying by all means that they must not be in the street.
Estrateni. Because
Back
abantwana
estrateni,
bethu,
bala.
they have all the time on their hands. That is
I'm
why
the first
beqabela
guy in
amazwi.
South Africa ufake i-mask.
Esebenza.
Angisho
Oh,
ndine-scar up.
yes.
So ngifaka that i-scarf ngifaka up so that I can go facilitate
Ulokhu ulimele?
i-class. And when abantwana besikolo, they heard ukuthi ngilimele, like, keeper. And when I saw them, I went, wow. And abanye, it actually brought trauma, so I had to cover up until ngiphole. And sometimes uthi ufunza umntana
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 uyazibuza
ekujonge so
ukuthi
umane
kahle
kuthi.
uyazibuza uba noba lona yena ubuye for sure ibehrovela leli
kukhona ezinye ezingibuzayo manje ukuthi angisho manje
netalinyana
netalinyana
yasekasi story
yasekasi
sakho
nobathola. Yeah, angisho ukuthi thina siconvincewa ngabo Dr. Qwabe.
yeah
Dr. Qwabe basiphethe kahle. Yabona ney'ntwana ezincane eziphila ubuhleva ngithi you must be clever if hana no Dr. Qwabe.
yes
Don't be clever that is going to prison.
yeah
Understand?
ube udokotela
Ube udokotela, yabona doctor.
ube street smart mara ube
Just
academically
yesterday I was seeing
smart
his pictures ese-university. Ibala naye iphethe igcoka isibekela ibeke incwadi la ngithi he must inspire you. I'm sure you want to, you like the dress code yokuchotha itala and what.
yeah ifana noba ifana no Siphiwe Dlamini I mean
Yes.
was sone vilo Siphiwe Simphiwe sorry my bad Siphiwe
Una
yeah ubhuti kamani unala butsotsinyana unala kasi flavor nyana ne mara ufundile focused but uyayibona ikhona lanto ukuthi mina ngumuntu wasekazi and I'm not apologetic about it, you know, smart but you can tell ikhona lento
that element.
Yeah. So manibona uDr. Qwabe sometimes ndivele ndikhumbule yena uSiphiwe.
Mina ngisuku Dr. Qwabe.
You are. You've
Andiyanga
always been.
esikolweni kanti. Andiyanga na.
You know, but okay, Banele, in closing, unless you want to add before, in closing, is there anything that you want to add eningathethanga ngayo? And then, uthi uqhuba ngakukhumbula ngomso, ufuna ukukhunjulwa ngantoni?
Education. Maths. I make sure whatever community that I pass by,
Yes, sure.
I'm leaving a footstep.
If
If you can count how, not where Banelo Omasip, if you can count how many learners they wanted to give up about maths. How many learners they wanted to give up about schools.
Metric
Isikolo khona abantwana endibuyo balanda silenda ndithi athi ugive up ile ngithi rewrite, I'll assist you for free. When during the day is a branching and come and sit with me for an hour or so. Ngikunika ama question paper that you deal with. But then at first thing is many stories that learners will tell. Some they even call me, like last I got a call from Elena uyenza first year. She does not know me angimazi no.
Yeah.
Ureferelwa inkamvu ukuthi no, university it you are defunded. Call Banel.
Yeah.
Elena talked to me again, okay, what is your story? Which level are you doing? I say, I'm doing first year. I was defunded, university or get it, there's nothing like that. I call NSFAS. She's back in university now.
Oh.
Understand? So some of the things is not kuti it must be a Inkamva done way, but Inkamva paved the way. But don't be stereotyped when also Fagamo club. Open other branches as well. Understand? But I can take that lane alone. That's understand. Some last term, come and join Inkamva so that we can put you through SEF. But it's only for 6 months. I set a standard. After 6 months, I'm not taking you. Guess where they are now? In college.
Oh, Manele.
Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you for this.
Even if useswane video anyway, just call me.
Banele, Banele Ascension Pusakwe, guys.
I'll assist you.
Banele
I'm
Ascension
not assisting you for imali. I don't want money anymore.
Yeah. Yes, man.
Yeah, I'll assist
So
you.
kuma platforms wakho Ascension Banele Pusakwe. Disibeka kakuhle kaloku wena.
No. Yeah, it's Ascension.
Banele. Go uqala Ascension okanye Banele.
And doing Banele kaloku kuqala.
Banele Ascension Pusakwe kuma social platforms wonke, guys. If you struggling ngemaths, inbox uzokunceda, uza kureferela endaweni ezi-right. Nimamele, and guys, please, those who knows that abantu abangakwazi ukunceda, ama stakeholder wendaweni ezithile, ngicela niba approach it, tell them about this Ikamva, give them the handles of Ikamva so that they can see what they're trying to do community yethu, ngoba kaloku future yethu, honestly speaking, it's depending ebantwaneni bethu. We can do better. You know, it was so painful listening to someone ebebuya eDubai, and he said we need 100 years to develop sisifane neDubai.
Oh God, see.
I was like,
and on my social info, like on my social platform, don't send me a hi, Banele. I don't
get straight to the point.
Tell me, this is me, from where, this
Summarize.
is my story, so that
Summarize, and I don't like him. Hi, how are you?
I'm
And
good.
now,
I'm fine.
And sometimes we are being rude, but
time consuming.
get straight
Guys,
to the point.
Like Island 100 years. It's time consuming. Because of those hi, how are you? It's time consuming, guys. Let's go to a point. We want to develop our country.
Yeah, a word for the day.
A word for the day. Yeah, because I'm not just good. If you want to give up, man. If you give up, I give up. Yeah, but don't give up because you want to give up. Actually, the only way to give up is when you say, I'm giving away my last breath.
Yeah.
Not because when you are taking it.
Yeah.
It must be natural.
Yeah.
Give up usengcwabeni, but not happy.
How's Twitter, Banele?
Suka tuthela ntoni.
Guys,
why not this Twitter?
We're dashing. Please don't forget to subscribe to Unscrambled Life with Lee. Don't forget to comment, like, share. I can't wait to drop this. And I hope nizobe nifunde into ezininzi. Ngicela ukuthi mani nemibuzo, don't forget ukuba ikhona that comment session, whatever that you want to ask. And then if mhlambe ningaphinda nifuna buye, mhlambe nizokwenza virtual naye, and then maybe we're going to go live where you can ask questions. If you want us to, yes, what I'm saying is we can do the virtuals, and then if mhlambe azobe befuni live, we can try to arrange for a live where you can talk to him, nimbuze izinto kanjalo. But for now, we're dashing. Be kind to one another, but be more kind to yourself, because apha emhlabeni, guys, go hard. Kuyi wishy. We out.
And ngeke ndibuye kukude apha. I drive more than